Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video, I wanted to show you guys basically my updated go-to, and my tablet is ringing. I am sorry about that. Alright, before I was rudely interrupted, I wanted to show you guys a updated, like, what's in my go-to makeup bag, which I have right here, and it's in this cute little pouch. I believe I got this from Marshall's. I think it's Marshall's. Yeah, Marshall's. Yeah, I got it a little while ago. So, in this cute little bag right here. So that is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you guys what I carry as like a go-to makeup thing. I'm going to take it out one by one and show you guys. No products are taken out in any particular order. Just going to go one by one and take it out and show you guys. Alright, so first product is, oh, and by the way, if you haven't already joined the Kwak fam, go ahead and join it by clicking subscribe. Become part of the family. Click subscribe, and of course tap on the notification bell. That way every time I upload, you'll be notified and you don't have to worry and wonder, I wonder when Sarah's gonna upload. I mean, you'll know right away because you got that bell turned on. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so first product is this right here. It is the e.l.f. brow pencil product, and this, you guys, is, I don't even know why I was so late to the game. This is amazing. It does the job. It fills it in. I mean, I feel like everyone's brows are different. Like, if you have a lot of brow hairs naturally, if you have long brow hair, short brow hair, no brow hair. This is, in my opinion, perfect for those who actually have brow hair to begin with, aka me, and just to fill it in. That's what it is. The pencil is pretty thick, so it won't give you like a precise brow hair stroke, but it does a beautiful job filling in your brows. And love the fact that it has a spoolie. It did come with caps on both ends, but took it off. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so took that off, and this is what I carry. The next item is this right here. This is just a mirror. It's a mirror. It has a magnification end and a what do you call it, and a regular mirror reflection end, if that makes sense. My best friend actually gave this to me. She didn't want it anymore, so I'm like, oh, I'll take it. So that's what it is. My next one is a lash curler, and this one is by Tweezerman, and believe it or not, this is actually a really good lash curler. Again, like, kind of similar with the brows. I feel like with lash curlers, you have to find the one that fits your eye shape the best. Whether it be a inexpensive one or an expensive one. You know, I feel like lash curlers come in like different shapes and sizes, and the curvature of the curl has to fit your eye nicely. Maybe it's just me, but that's what I feel like, and this one works very well for me. So, and I'm kind of glad that it's not expensive. I don't have to go buy an expensive one. I'm thinking of buying an expensive one just to see if it really works that much better, but in the meantime, this works wonderful. I love it, and you guys should try it too if you haven't already. Alright, next product is this right here. This is the First Aid Beauty, aka Fab, Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. So that's what it is. Have been using this not that long, but still want to keep using it to test it out to see if it really works and see if my skin likes it or not. So that's what I'm using. It's just basically a hydration intense skin cream lotion. Next item we have is another brow product, and this one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their tinted brow gel. I don't always use this, but sometimes I feel like my brows are really crazy looking, and I want to kind of tame them by gelling them down, brushing them down, putting them in their place, and making sure they stay. This does the job. Next product, we have the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Now, who doesn't have this? The one I have right now is the mini version. They have a bigger version as well, but I just grabbed the mini one. And if you don't know what it looks like, it has a little brush that comes with it. And then that is the inside of the Hoola bronzer. Basically, on those days when I just want to bronze my face and kind of look alive a little bit, have a little bit of like glow to it, that's what I use. Alright, so my next product is a highlighter, more like a glow stick highlighter. This one is by Candy Johnson. And this is the Candy Johnson and Too Faced collab. It's a Stick Creamy Highlighter. Love this. It's just a really natural, glowy highlighting look. Does the job. It looks beautiful, compact. Love it. Next is, lip gloss. So, alright, if you don't know this already, I've been wearing lip gloss a lot lately, and one of the lip gloss I've been wearing is this color right here, and this one is the Dominique Cosmetic Peach Lip Gloss, and Peach Tea Lip Gloss, I should say, and it's just a nice, simple, glossy, and elegant look. Love it. It's like an everyday wear, and your lips look juicy and just refreshed. Can't complain. Next is my eyeshadow palette, and this is one of the most affordable eyeshadow palettes you can get out there. Wet n Wild is such a beautiful, awesome brand. They have different color stories, but this is the one I picked up. This is the one in Not a Basic Peach, and it's not the look I have on right now, but I do use this pretty much every day because it is my go-to makeup bag. Alright, so, and you can kind of play it up. It has like fun, different colors as you can see. You can put like a splash of blue in there, or a splash of, I don't know, orange, gold, beautiful stuff. I still have a lot more in here. I know it looks like a tiny bag, but this baby can hold so much, which is why I love it. Next one is this, which is the Ole Henrik's Skin Banana Bright Eye Cream. So again, here is what it looks like. I don't even know why I said it again. I didn't even show you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And basically it's an under eye cream that helps, you know, with your anti-aging and, you know, making it look more youthful and plump. But the main purposes that I use this for is to really brighten up your under eye. And it does that. So I use this before I put on my makeup. And then I put on my concealer on top. Brightens up your eye, makes you look awake. It looks like you had your 8 hours of sleep. You had your 2 cups of coffee. You're wired. I mean, come on, guys. Who doesn't want to look like that? Alright. Next product, speaking of concealer, I use the Cream Concealer by CoverFX. One of my favorite concealers. And I'm the shade Medium G. Alright, so that's what I use. I'm thinking of picking up another concealer. If you guys have a recommendation, please let me know down below. I have dry skin, dry AF skin, so keep that in mind. So thinking of another concealer I might want to use. Any recommendations, tell me down below. I would love to hear that. Okay, so moving on. Next one is one of my favorite products, and I usually buy these in like bulks and batches through Amazon or eBay or whatever. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and this just does a beautiful job. Honestly, it just does a beautiful job. It coats my eyelashes and makes them long and, you know, just rich and black, and I love it. It just makes it intense. Just love it. So, one of my favorite. Again, with mascaras too, if you have a recommendation, let me know, because mascaras you must toss out every 3 months, I believe. 3-4 months. So it does have like a time period. Does it have it on this? Not on the actual mascara itself. But I do know mascaras go bad very quickly. I think it's 3 months. So it's almost time for me to pick up another one. So any recommendations for lash mascaras, then let me know down below in the comments. Okay, moving right along. We have another little stick product. This one, it lost all its label, but it's by Milk. And this is a lip and cheek stain. It's called Perk. Here is the color right there. And a simple cheek stain I like to use to kind of like brighten up my cheeks. Again, this is not the color I have on right now on my face, but I do use it as a go-to everyday look. Love it. And I love like the creamy makeup stuff, like, you know, cream this and cream this. You know, these are 2 creamy products. I love it because I feel like the creamy products, it makes your makeup look more natural in my opinion. Though I could be wrong, it's just how I feel about it. So that's one of the reasons why I love these cream products. Alright, we're coming to an end, you guys. Okay, so another product for the eye is the Wet n Wild Color Icon. It's this beautiful glitter color. Alright. I think I picked this up at like a local drugstore, but I've seen other YouTube videos where people are picking this up from the from the Dollar Tree, so which is pretty awesome. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pick this up from the Dollar Tree. I would. I mean, it's just dollar plus tax, I believe. And try it out if you like it. If you don't, I don't know. I mean, it's a nice, inexpensive product. Let's just put it that way. It's not my favorite, if I'm being honest, but it's nice. Okay, and we have, of course, an eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. Love it. It's not a felt tip, but it's a brush applicator. So love that. And that's actually what I have in my eyes right now. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And last but not least, the brushes I use for my eye makeup. This one is a brush by Urban Decay. It came out from their Ultimate Naked Basics palette. Took it out of that. This one is a Sephora brush that came in a little package. I just took this out. And this one was from the palette, my Bobbi Brown palette. Took that out. Just carry these three to do my eye makeup. And yeah, so we took out everything out of my makeup bag. It's all gone. And that is, you guys, pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and now you know my go-to everyday makeup look. It's like my makeup bag I grab when I'm like in a rush and I gotta put makeup on, like maybe, I don't know, right before I go to work, in the parking lot, whatever. So my go-to makeup look, updated go-to makeup bag products or whatever. Anyways, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that like button down below. And of course, if you haven't already, click subscribe. Tap on that notification bell. And I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!